Located in Milburn, Oklahoma, this charming, fully furnished container home offers a serene escape. The house is built using two shipping containers, one 40-foot and a 20-footer. The 40-foot container serves as the ground floor level, while the 20-footer is placed perpendicularly above to accommodate additional first floor space. The interior features an open-plan living space which accommodates a bright single-walled kitchen that features essential kitchen appliances. There is full-sized stainless appliances, wooden countertops under the counter, and overhead storage cabinets. The unique and quaint touches are what makes the interior of this place so special and covetable. The living area is furnished with a cozy sofa chair, a TV, and a fireplace to keep the house warm during winter months. The glass windows offer views of the beautiful outdoor space and plenty of opportunities for entertainment. A narrow staircase tailored from wood and steel leads to the master bedroom and bathroom upstairs. The master bedroom features a queen-sized bed with a super comfy mattress and a large glass door for natural lighting. The large glass door from the bedroom opens onto a big patio, a nice place to enjoy the outdoors. On the opposite side of the bedroom is a laundry nook and a bathroom. The bathroom features a shower cubicle, a toilet, and a vanity. The beautiful hardwood flooring in the house brings an edge of difference and luxury to the interior. The interior walls of the container are shiplapped to bring out a visual of warmth to the indoor space. The vast deck beacons for leisurely dining or simply unwinding with a drink in hand, all while soaking in the exterior vibes. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible throughout the exterior to bring out the industrial charm of the design. This amazing house is on sale, listed for $199,000 US. If you like this kind of content, kindly give this video a thumbs up. By doing so, you support our channel so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Feel free to subscribe. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.